Are you trying to build a talent hub, a place where you can aggregate different talents in one place? How talented are you? Are you trying to look at a talent hub? Whatever your needs are for a talent space, we have you covered at Softr. Here at Softr.io, we have a myriad of different templates that can really help you level up your workflows, systems, and build out spaces like this talent space template that we're going to show off for you in this video. A talent space is a simple but powerful service tool that helps downsizing organizations to highlight their talent's expertise and help them get connected to hiring organizations. The template provides an easy setup interface for your talents to create their profiles. No more manually updated spreadsheets and docs. If you go to softr.io/templates and check this one out, we can click preview and take a brief look at our talent space without even needing to download this template. We also can click create your talent profile. And then from there, we can take a look at all of the different items here. So essentially people would go in and fill out their name, put a photo, their job title and description, as well as their region and some other metadata, and then submit it, and it would show up inside of this talent space right here. Now, in order to use this template, we can press use template, click on use template, go to the primary data source that is Airtable, press continue, copy the base to your account, and then press add base. Now this could be done with things not only Airtable, but also Google Sheets. There are multiple different data source options to choose from. So taking a look at this and then pressing create application, you'll see that we have this talents table right here that has all of that different information that is submitted within the form that you saw right here. So the pages that we have are pretty simple. We have this talent page with all of the different talents that exist. We have an FAQ little section at the bottom, and then we have an add talent profile page, which has that form. As you can see, all of these are essentially mapped to the talents space by Softr Airtable base that I made and that table. And then all of their info is mapped very seamlessly into this form. You can change any of the information you want in this form. If you wanted to edit any of these different fields, you can add a new one and then essentially adjust what the different items would be mapped to. It's a very simple process. Adding fields is as simple as pressing something like this, mapping it to a specific field, having it be required or not. And if you don't want it anymore, you can delete it, as well as moving the order of them around by dragging these around, or utilizing these arrows to open and close what you're taking a look at. You can also adjust the formatting and text styling of any of these individual fields as well. Now in the profile approved section, this is essentially the page that you would see once somebody is approved. So on that homepage, you'll notice that there is a list of different people that submit the forms. Now, if you wanted to, you can add a conditional filter so that the only ones that would show up would be the approved ones. So let's go here and add a condition, and it would say approved is, and then you can put is not empty, which would mean that it would have to be showcased. So you're not going to see this properly within this view. You're going to have to go to preview to see it. Then if you click in one of these people, you'll see all of that information that is input within here. So it's pretty simple. All the approved ones are in this nice little secondary view in the Airtable. If you used Airtable and then opening up any of these, essentially once somebody's approved, you can take a look at all the different talent that exists. Like I can look at Ion, I can look at Yun, and seems like he's a great sales manager located in Romania. He doesn't really want to do remote work, and he has his LinkedIn and his email right here to get in touch with him. If you want to, you can also filter at the top here. So you'll notice account management, filter to that. I can select multiple of these at once. I added business development and customer success, and both of these awesome people popped up. Then I can unselect these, shows all of them. I want to select the language, like English, I can check it out. If I wanted to select the region, like just remote workers, I could check it out, or any other specific place I wanted to select, or keep the region open. Then I could also just search within here as well. Like I looked for John and found it. So it's a very simple product that is a very simple process. create the talent profile, connect to the talents that are right here. There's also a nice little contact us hyperlink as well, where essentially if you press this, it's like a mail to option. So you can adjust this contact us in the third feature section here to be your company email so that people can reach out if you want. And if you have any different FAQ answers that you wanted to change here, you can adjust those as well. This is one of the more simple but effective templates that we do have on our templates page. So many amazing options to choose from, but I really like this one for its simplicity and for its effectiveness. If you're looking for more amazing templates, please go to softr.io/templates to check out ones like this free talent space template today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.